What is up, people? We got the North Face Beanie review for you guys. Unboxing slash review. So, this beanie was actually very surprising. I did not expect to like it so much, but yeah, I ended up loving it. It's pretty much my favorite beanie ever. At first, I was like, oh, it's way too tight. I didn't like it. I was like, oh, I want to return it. It's so funny. Some things I'm like, I just don't wear them for the longest time because at first I try them on and I have a bad first impression and I'm like, I don't like it. And then I'm like, oh, I want to return it, blah, blah, blah. And then I just don't wear it forever. But then I end up actually starting to wear it and it like fits and it kind of just molds to your head and like loosens to your specific fit, kind of like to your specifications, how you like it. Stretches out. Ended up really loving it a lot after wearing it. Kind of like with a pair of Air Forces I got a long time ago. I bought these like super, like not rare, but like they're limited kind of run, like make of Air Forces. They were called the Ultra Force Air Forces in all tried them on. I thought they're comfy, all that stuff. I bought them. I think I even got them on sale. Didn't wear them for a year or two and ended up way later just being like, okay, I'm just gonna start wearing them. And they, like, after I like broke them in, that's the word I was looking for, breaking it in. Like after you break it in. After I broke them in and wore them and like actually started realizing like how, because you have to use something to actually start to like you can't just like judge something right away, like judge a book by its cover. You have to actually use it and have experience with it. That's what it matters, you know what I mean? Even if it's something doesn't seem right away, you have to at least try, give it a chance, experience it, give it multiple chances. And that's why I did those shoes, and they turned out to be like the lightest, most comfortable Air Forces ever. Pretty much put me onto Air Forces because they were the best shoes I've ever had, like legit. Even though they were like half size too small, it was fine for the Air Forces. They ended up fitting perfect. Kind of like with this hat too. It ended up being my favorite hat ever. So it's like a perfect fit. It's the Shallow Salty Dog Beanie, I think it's called. Shallow, I think it's called Shallow. Yeah. Let's unbox the rest that we got here. So I ended up just going all out because they were on sale, 50% off, and I decided to stock up so to get all the different colors. So now this is sick. I have like all the different, this like perfect shade collection. I need a darker blue maybe to go with it. They do have another darker blue one, so maybe I'll go with that. They are called the Salty Dog Beanie. I think they're the shallow fit ones. It doesn't say on here though. I think this is 2022, 2023, 2023, and then the gray is 2022 as well. So these are the same. And these are like newer ones. Yeah, the knitting on them is really nice. I actually love the inner liner. At first I was like, that's what made me judge it in the first place. I was like, oh, I don't want a liner inside my beanie, and that's why I didn't like it in the very first place. But that's what ends up making it work and actually being so comfy and actually breaking it in, and it fits so well. So yeah, I really wanted the yellow one to go with my Gore-Tex Jordan 1s Gore-Tex. You can check out the unboxing for that if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure to do that and like the video. Appreciate it to support. But yeah, I can even put that in the description. I can't wait for that yellow fit in the winter time. It's gonna go perfect with the shoes and just with gray, yellow, black. Gonna be such a sick outfit. And then I was just like, you know what? I'll get the brown one. They all just have gray inner, except for, no, they all have the same gray and liner. And then I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Brown is so beautiful, especially this nice square logo. So I got this one. Also, the regular 35 and then 50% off. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. And then I got a gray one because that goes with whatever too. So nice, like earthy, kind of like, I don't know. What do you call these tones? Kind of like metallic. Yeah, metallic colorways. Kind of like earthy and metallic. Yeah, super fire. I decided to just stock up for next winter, so now I'm set. I have my favorite beanie in like every single colorway. They're so comfy. Now I have like every color. So yeah, it'll go with all the different outfits. Perfect. Let's go. North Face is decent. Like, it just depends on what it is. One thing that kind of sucked about this one though is it kind of like deformed, so like the inside of it kind of got messed around, but you just fold it and it still works even if the inside is kind of messed up. Machine washable. I've machine washed it a few times already. One size, made in Indonesia. It's just like polyester and acrylic. I think they're acrylic beanies. Yeah, they're acrylic and cotton. So I think this is cotton. That's what makes it so nice. And then the outside's acrylic. Because like if you have pure acrylic, it doesn't feel like right. You know what I mean? So these, one of my favorite beanies. 9.5 out of 10. I don't know what would make it 10 out of 10. But I guess the construction, maybe like get some hemp in there. Or a little bit of wool on the outer. Instead of just like, because I don't really fuck with polyester and acrylic as much. I like natural, real fibers. Not fake fibers. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video and this review. That's about it for now. Peace. Because, baby, I'm a loner. I don't want to be.